Trucking. It's what keeps stores stocked and our economy running. But did you know these interesting facts about the history of trucking? The first ever truck was invented in 1896, known as the Daimler Motor Lastwagen, or Motorwagen for short. Its top speed was a whole 20 miles per hour. The first truck maintenance shop was established in the early 1900s. Today, there are over 50,000 shops in the United States alone. The world's largest truck stop is the Jubitz Truck Stop, located in Portland, Oregon, and includes several facilities, including a hotel, cinema, barbershop, and even houses a museum that walks you through the history of trucking. The longest continuous truck convoy on record was completed in 2011 when a group of truckers drove from the United Kingdom to India in just under 16 days.